Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can customize and edit bookmarks or entries in your bookmarks list on a Pale Moon browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Pale Moon browser and you will see the bookmarks bar here. If it's enabled, you can, for example, add descriptions to them or rename them. You can do that by right-clicking into the given bookmark and then click into properties. As you can see, there's no rename feature, so you will need to navigate to properties here, and here you can rename it. So just add this change here, an uppercase letter. You can also change the URL address here if needed, assign tags, maybe a keyword, the description, and so on and so forth, and click into save to apply these changes and to edit your bookmark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.